Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County Northwest. That is everything north of US 6 and west of State Route 25. It excludes Perrysburg and Bowling Green. So let's dig in here. What we are seeing in February of 2021 versus February 2020 is that we don't have enough listings to go around. That seems to be the case in most areas in Wood County right now. Northwest Wood County is no exception. We are only seeing 2 new listings out of versus last year where we had 9. And pending sales obviously have decreased slightly because there's just not enough listings to go around. Same deal with closed sales, again, because just not enough listings to go around. This is causing the days on market to recede quite a bit. We're down almost 40%. And then we are looking at the median sale price and the average sale price. The average sale price tells us a more complete picture, I believe, than the median. What is happening right now is the median sale price could be down from last year just because there could be some lower entry level homes that have sold in February of 2021 than what was available for sale in February of 2020. So if we had 5 houses that sold for $200,000 in February of 2020, and we only had 2 houses that sold for $150,000 in February 2021, naturally we're going to see this median and this average come down slightly, but not to a point where we're seeing the market negatively impacted. This just means that it's a different blend of housing that was available for sale. The thing to really take away from this is the percentage of list price received. So houses that have been placed on the market in Northwest Wood County in February 2021 received more than what they were even asking for to begin with. And this is again because we just do not have the inventory of homes that we need. We are down less than half of what we were from last year this time. And then that is continuing to drain the month supply of inventory that's available to us from 2.5 last year, which wasn't enough, to 1.4 this year, which is still not enough. What is likely to continue is we will likely continue seeing these numbers here for the year to date. We are up almost 8% or a little over 8% for the median sale price, and we are up over 15% for the average sale price. These numbers will likely continue. If you look on this map here from January 2011 to January 2021, we are up almost, I would call that $70,000 over 10 years. That is not a bad increase if you've been living in Northwest Wood County for that long and need to sell. If you are a buyer, however, and you have been thinking, oh, well, you know what, I'm going to wait for the market to crash, I'm going to wait for housing to get cheaper, Jim T is here to tell you right now, please don't do that to yourself, because if you look at this trend right here, folks, housing doesn't really get cheaper. Inflation does this thing year after year. Everybody typically needs a place to live. It's just going to continue to get more and more expensive. What you are doing by waiting is robbing yourself of an opportunity to get a really great deal as a buyer in the form of a low interest rate. If you've been thinking about buying, and if you've been absolutely frustrated with how everything has been going for you, it does not have to be that way. Give me a call, give my team a call. I have specialists in every area that are eager to help you make the deal, get the best price possible, and live in your dream home. That is what I'm here to do, folks. I'm here to help you, whether it is buying or selling a home. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to help you make better decisions. And one of the ways in which I do that is by sharing information like this today. If you found this information to be helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future installments with the market report updates. And outside of that, I just want to thank you for joining me today. It's been an absolute pleasure. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thank you so much for joining me, and you make this the best day yet.